Hello everyone, just wanted to make a quick video on a cool little item that I purchased. Actually going to be an unboxing of this cool little flashlight from Olight. It's the i3T EOS. It's their slim EDC flashlight. It's pretty cool. It's pretty small. So I thought I'll just do a little quick unboxing on camera for you guys. I know some of you will probably appreciate this. There we go. First of all, it comes in a really nice package. It's not like it comes in a cheapy bubble wrap or something. It's actually really nice presentation. It's almost like if you're purchasing an iPhone or something. Instead, it's just a small little flashlight. All right, let's open this up here. Once again, this is from Olight i3T EOS, their small EDC flashlight. If you don't know what EDC stands for, it stands for everyday carry. Let's take this out. There it is. It says read me. Must be something important. Let's see what it says. Let me see if I can focus that. Sorry, the light's not that good. i3 EOS. Each flashlight comes serial numbered. So it is pretty small, I must say. I don't know if you can tell. It's about the size of my middle finger, more or less. Pretty cool size. It says read instruction, read me. Let's see what it says. Before first use, unscrew. Oh, okay. See, it's got a little safety thing in it. So let's unscrew this. See what we get out of this. Oh, there's the battery. Oh, it comes with a battery. That's good to know. Oh, the light's already on. Okay. See what the settings are here. So that's off, obviously. That's on. That's super bright. Wow, that is really bright. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but that's really bright. It's pretty small. Wow, that is really bright. Really small. Do a comparison. I have this little flashlight that I typically carry, and it's about half the diameter in size. Look at that. So this is definitely the only thing I noticed it doesn't have is a strobe light on it. I know some people who carry EDC flashlights like to have the strobe to blind people should someone come, but no, it does not come with that option. I know this one that I have does, but this one does not. I imagine because it's so small, it's probably difficult to put that option, make that option available in such a small package. Just once again, a little comparison. Look at that. This is what I typically carry. Look at this. It's so light. It could probably fit in my suit jacket. I typically wear a suit, so this would fit perfect in my suit jacket. It won't drag it, all the weight, but looks good. Looking forward to using it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, that i3T from EOS from Olight. I think I paid like 20 bucks for this. If they haven't sold out, because they just literally just came out with this flashlight. Check it out. It's super small. Let's do a little comparison there so you get a view. Super small. Could be a finger pretty much. Here, let's do an even cooler comparison. Let's put it next to a lip balm. There we go.